Hey guys, I finally got my hands on one of these jackets. They're always sold out. Like I literally had to check out so fast, like, cause they always sell out. And I'm like, I clicked and I was like, oh my gosh, finally I got it. It was like a relief. I finally like got it. Like, oh my gosh, I don't even know how to act right now. I'm so excited to try it on, you guys. Oh my gosh. I originally wanted the blue color, but then I went with this one. I was like, whatever, let's go with this one. I think I like this one better. It's so cute. Let's try it on. So this is how it looks. It looks really, really cute. Look at this. Look at the detail, guys. OMG. It looks so freaking cute. Oh my gosh. I love it. 10 out of 10. It is very good material. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Finally, my life is complete, guys, with this jacket. I've been wanting it for so long, like, I feel complete now. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'm so happy, guys. It looks super cute. I love it so much. Make sure that you guys order one. Oh my gosh. I love it.